Welcome to this comprehensive guide on getters, setters, and access modifiers, fundamental concepts for any aspiring programmer. These tools are crucial for managing how data within your programs is accessed and modified, ensuring robust and secure code. At the heart of these concepts lies encapsulation, a core principle of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation bundles data and the methods that operate on the data within a single unit, restricting direct access to some of an object's components. This practice prevents unintended interference and promotes data integrity, making your code more reliable and easier to maintain. Now, let's dive into getters and setters, which are special methods used to retrieve and update the values of private variables. A getter method, often prefixed with get, allows you to read the value of a private field. It acts as a controlled window, letting you see the data without directly exposing the internal variable. Conversely, a setter method, typically prefixed with set, enables you to modify the value of a private field. Setters are powerful because they allow you to implement validation rules before any data is assigned, ensuring only valid data enters your object. For example, a setAge method could check if the provided age is a positive number before updating the age variable. Here's a simple code example for a getter: public int getBalance, return balance. And for a setter, public void setBalance, if balance equals new balance. A helpful tip: always use meaningful names for your getters and setters to improve code readability and maintainability. Moving on to access modifiers. These keywords define the accessibility level of classes, fields, methods, and constructors. They are essential for implementing encapsulation effectively and controlling who can interact with different parts of your code. Public members are accessible from anywhere, meaning any other class can access them. Use public when you intend for a member to be part of your class's public interface, like a method that performs a core function. Here's an example: public class car, public void start engine ****. Next, private members are only accessible from within the class where they are declared. This is ideal for internal implementation details that should not be exposed to the outside world, promoting strong encapsulation. Example: private string password. This variable can only be accessed by methods within the same class. Protected members are accessible within their own class and by any subclasses that inherit from it. This modifier is particularly useful in inheritance scenarios where child classes need to access parent class members. Consider this: protected double calculate discount ****. This method is available to derived classes. Finally, internal means members are accessible only within the same assembly or project. This is perfect for components that are part of a single logical unit but should not be exposed to external applications. Example: internal class logger ****. This class is only visible within its assembly. A key tip: always choose the most restrictive access modifier possible that still allows your code to function correctly. This practice, known as the principle of least privilege, enhances security and reduces potential bugs. By combining getters, setters, and access modifiers, you gain fine-grained control over your object's state and behavior. Mastering these concepts is a significant step towards writing clean, maintainable, and secure object-oriented code. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be building more robust and efficient applications.